equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV47. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV47 may experience motor failure, which can manifest as reduced suction or unusual noises. This issue often arises from wear and tear or blockages, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and costly repairs. To perform this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. Begin by safely opening the device, ensuring you disconnect it from the power source. Carefully remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum, taking note of their types as you will need to replace them later. Once opened, locate the failing motor, which is typically situated near the suction inlet. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, being cautious not to damage surrounding components. Remove the old motor by unscrewing it from its mount, applying a moderate amount of force if necessary. When installing the new motor, ensure it is securely fastened and reconnect all cables, making sure they are properly seated. As you reassemble the device, double-check that no screws are left over and that all components are aligned correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your vacuum well maintained will extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.